What is learning outside the classroom?
It's about getting you guys, as we say, outside the classroom and still learning the things that you do inside the classroom, but in a different environment really. Trying to give you a fun environment, trying to apply a lot of the things we do in the classroom to the real world. You know, when we do ecosystems in geography, it's all very well doing it in the classroom, but why not go and see an ecosystem in the real world and see it actually happening in front of you?
The point of it is to be like direct experience, so it deepens the learning as well. If you see something, you're more likely to remember it than just reading it from a textbook.
And the point is to have a bit of fun as well.
Okay. What do you do in learning outside the classroom?
There are going to be 3 days next year, and there'll be days where year 7 and 8s on different times are going to be off lessons, and they'll experience learning a range of skills. There are going to be some social skills in there, as well as linking it back to the curriculum. So there's a day which is linked to English, where you write speeches, and you also at the same time combine that with building fires, building sets, so it's a bit of drama as well. And then there's a day which is focusing on walking up to Winter Hill and looking at the community around you and the community you live in and how you impact on your community.
And then the 3rd day is a team building day. So you're working with people, obviously, that you normally work with in your classroom, possibly others that you don't work with normally in your class. And you're doing various activities and games that teach you how to work as a team and how to work effectively, and teach you that it's not always about doing something you particularly love doing, but it's about having a go at it and keeping going even when you find it really, really difficult.
And not always getting it right the first time. So it's about
perseverance
and resilience.
When does learning outside the classroom happen?
So it'll happen next year on 3 Fridays within the year, and lessons will be just be learning outside the classroom all day. So it's like a collapsed timetable day.
How does it benefit students?
It teaches you a lot of skills that I think we try and teach you in the classroom, but actually in an outdoor environment outside of the classroom it's more appropriate to do it. So we spoke about resilience and never giving up and trying hard and things, and even if sometimes you don't succeed at first, you carry on trying and eventually you get there, possibly as a team, possibly on your own. Those kind of skills that when you go back into the classroom in your normal lessons, you still need those skills to succeed there as well.